your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first thing you can do is to contact Apple support. So the first step is to reach out to Apple support directly. Visit the App Store support website and navigate to the contact support section. Choose the appropriate category and request assistance regarding your disabled App Store and iTunes account. Apple support will guide you through the necessary steps to resolve the issue. Now verify your account information. Ensure that the account information associated with your App Store and iTunes account is accurate and up to date. Log into your Apple ID account page, which is the appleid.apple.com, and verify your account details, including your email address, phone number, and payment information. Update any outdated or incorrect information. Check for outstanding payments. If there are any outstanding payments or billing issues related to your App Store and iTunes account, it can lead to a disabled account. Review your payment history and ensure that all payments are up to date. If there are any pending payments, resolve them to reactivate your account. Review Apple's terms and conditions. Make sure that you are complying with Apple's terms and conditions for using the App Store and iTunes. Familiarize yourself with the guidelines and policies and ensure that you are not violating any of the terms. If you have inadvertently violated any policies, so let me just go ahead and exit that. Rectify the situation and contact Apple support to explain the situation. Remove third-party software or modifications. If you have installed any unauthorized or modified software on your device that may interfere with the App Store and iTunes, remove them. Jailbreaking or using unofficial software can lead to account disablement. Restore your device to its original settings and ensure that you are using Apple approved software. Now, for the last thing that you can do is to wait for account review. If you have contacted Apple support and taken the necessary steps to rectify any issues, you may need to wait for Apple to review your account. Apple's review process can take some time to exercise patience while they assess your situation and determine the appropriate action. So remember, it is crucial to communicate directly with Apple support regarding your disabled account. They have the necessary tools and expertise to assist you in resolving the issue and reactivating your App Store and iTunes account. Okay? And that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.